Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add the slicer filter link to multiple pivot tables. When you work on a report with many tables, this is very handy and time saving to apply filters to all tables instead of doing it one by one. Here's the data. I have the fields here, order date, segment, country, region, category, and I have created two pivot tables. This is pivot table 1, and this is pivot table 2. The report layout may require separate pivot tables, and it's also a neat way and easy to read to present the data. Use one tab for each table as you know that if you put two tables in the same tab, when you change the format data in one table, it will impact the other table as rows and columns will change. So, we show you here table 1. I have country, region, category, subcategory, and years and quarters in the row here. And I also have quantity and sales in values here. Now, pivot table 2 is actually the same, using the same data source that I show you the list of data here. And I put segment, category, subcategory here. And then I also have the quantity and the average discount and the sales in values here. Now, I want to add a slicer to filter years and quarters right here. You notice that pivot 2, I don't put years and quarters, I only put it in one. So in order to create that, I go to right here, insert under slicer. So this opens up a box, and I can pick the fields that I want to filter. So I want quarters and years. So now I have two filters here, two slicer filters. One showing me the years, and then second is showing me the quarters. Then right click on the box to open up, click on slicer settings. So I want to put some settings in here. For example, the display header, I only wanted to show years. So I move that and sort a setting. Here, I want to hide the items with no data. Sometimes the list of data will have something, will have some field showing the date there, but there's no data. So I go in there, and now it's gone, right? And doing the same thing with this second slicer settings. So I remove that. Name is okay, but the display, I only want to show quarters. That same thing, hide items with data. So now I have 4 quarters right here, and I could do a little bit more over here, right? For example, I want to show it like that with size and same things, size over here. I also wanted to, let's say, do same color as the table. Do that. When I click on the box over here, and you can see up here there are slicer styles, right? So whatever styles that I pick, I want to green, and same thing here, green. You notice that when it's color, meaning it's filter right here, right? So I want to do photo 1, photo 2. In order to pick over the bowl, I have to do Control. One, two, right? So I have 2 photos and then I have 2 years. So let's get back to just like 1 quarter. And that's pretty much. Now I need to insert a link to connect the filters here for pivot table 1 and pivot table 2. So right here, again, I go back to right here, click on the box of the slicer. Now you see that there's a report connections here. Click on that to open up, and it's only selected for pivot table 1, right? The filter. Now I want to do both tables. Click OK. And same thing for the quarter slicer. I do report connections. Pick 2 tables. And see this slicer link. You can do however many tables that you have, like 3, 5, or whatever, and this is connect to all your pivot tables, so you can just kind of filter it once instead of doing it twice, right? Now, let's verify that slicer is working fine. So I can see now I have 2 years of data, 2020, 2021. And this is my number. And so if I pick only, let's say 2020, so my numbers will change, right? My number will change. So now I have 2 years of data, and let's verify that it works fine with pivot table 2. Over here, let's look at consumer total. I have 62,658. So when I filter only, let's say I only want year 2020, and see pivot 2, my number change, right? 2179. And so this is working fine, and it's wrapping up my presentations. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.